Clifford is funded in part by a Ready-to-Learn television cooperative agreement from the U.S. Department of Education through the Public Broadcasting Service.
Kix thanks you for joining us for another healthy serving of good things to grow on. Clifford on PBS, where the fun of learning is kid-tested, mother-approved.
All kinds of wonderful things happen when you play together. That's why we believe in and proudly support PBS Kids TV. Hi-Ho Cheerio, one of the My First games from Milton Bradley.
Chuck E. Cheese's, proud supporter of PBS Kids, helping children discover the fun of developing their bodies and their minds. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
And by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and from viewers like you.
Doink.
PBS Kids. Local broadcast of Clifford is made possible in part by WETA members and by White House Apple products.
1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, 4. 5 apples, 6 apples, 7 apples more. White House applesauce and juice. Natural nutrition for the kid and all of us. I've always dreamed of swimming in the big, beautiful ocean. But first I gotta get to the water. I think I can. Oof. Whoa! I know I can. I'm sure I can. I'm absolutely positive I can. Oh, I knew I could. Look at me, I'm flying.
Stick to it.
You're watching WETA Kids on WETA Washington.